Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are making oha soup. Not just any basic oha soup recipe. This one is simple, straightforward and Anambra style oha soup. Without wasting your time, let's get straight into the recipe. Start by boiling your palm fruit and ede, which is cocoyam, in one pot. While that is cooking, let's prep the stockfish. Pour hot water over it to kill any insect, worm that might be inside the stockfish. Shake it in the water to remove anyone that might be dead inside, and just like that, your stockfish is clean. Wash again under running water and set aside. The banga has been cooking for about 15 minutes, and you can see from the video it is soft, including the cocoyam. Proceed to extract your palm nut juice. For the cocoyam, set it aside. As the video proceeds, I will show you what to do with it. It's time to cook the meat. Add any protein of your choice to a pot. Season with salt, seasoning cubes, pepper. Remember, there is no onions for this recipe. Cover the pot and let it cook in its own juice for about 5 minutes. Afterwards, open it and add in your stockfish. Add some water, cover and let it continue cooking. Peel off the skin of the cocoyam, transfer to a blender, add little water and blend until very smooth. You can do this the traditional way by pounding, but I was not having enough time today, so I just blended it. The meat is well cooked. I'm going to add the palm nut extract. Cover and let it come up to a rolling boil. So my loves, if you have watched up to this point, please do well to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you. Right now, I'm going to dissolve my ogiri in water. I use just a little, but you can use as much as you want. Set aside and start prepping the leaves. This is the oha leaf, and you can see it's a very soft vegetable. I'm going to remove that tiny part of it, like near the stem part. It is believed that if you add that part to your soup, it will make it bitter. The vegetable is very soft, so there is no need to use a knife. Just use your hand to cut it like this. Oh, can you see that the banga is looking put together? So I added crayfish, the ogiri. If you have fish powder, stockfish powder, and any condiment you use in seasoning your food, you can add it. What I'm pouring here is the blended cocoyam, which is the ede. I'm going to give it a good stir. Now the job of the ede is to thicken the soup, so you can add more or less depending how thick or light you want your soup to be. Bear in mind that when the soup cools down, it's going to thicken, so be careful with it. I added some dried fish, give it a good stir again, cover and let it cook. Back to the veggies. I am still cutting the oha leaf, and at this point I was done, so I took it out. To make oha soup, you need a combination of 2 vegetables, which is your oha leaf and uziza leaf. Now uziza leaf is quite tough. Just pluck it and use your knife to slice. You can add as much leaves as you want to your oha soup, but bear in mind that you are not cooking vegetable soup, so the leaves should not do too much. As always, you have to taste your soup, and before you add any seasoning cube, make sure you add your crayfish first, then you add your seasoning cube. Even after adding the cubes, you have to taste it again to make sure everything is on point. Like I said earlier, you need 2 leaves for your oha soup. The first one I'm adding here is the Uziza leaf. You're going to cover it and let it cook for a while To enhance this Uziza leaf flavor, you can add Uziza seed. But if you can't find it, it's totally fine. The Uziza leaves will work. Like I said earlier, the Oha leaf is a very soft leaf. So after adding it, cook for 1 minute or less, then turn off the gas. Afterwards, you're going to give this a good stir, and just like that, your Oha soup is ready. I hope with this, you will make the perfect Oha soup. And when you do, don't forget to share your review in the comment section. Bye, and thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.